Question: why are you watching this video? I know why. I'll tell you about it in a few minutes. You don't want to watch another video of digital agency people acting creative, right? We are in an era of information overload, so we want to make this straight to the point. By the way, we are article and design, but you can call us A&D. Two things. Number one, digital agency by day. Number two, creative lab by night. This video is not about us though. It's all about you. What will you gain from us? As your digital agency, we give you, our client, the most appropriate and creative business solutions to help you grow. We do this by providing your audience a relevant, engaging, and compelling content, customized branding and design, user-friendly websites, and innovative digital experience. We take our clients seriously. We keep our strategies focused and minimal. We embrace creativity as a lifestyle and provide work to the highest standards. We don't want fame. We strive for our clients' success and trust. As your creative lab, A&D advocates for creation and transformation of digital business owners or freelancers to be globally competitive through our courses and workshops. Learning SEO writing, social media marketing, branding, and website design doesn't have to be complicated. On top of that, we teach how to transform you from being a freelancer to a consultant who is paid because of skills not paid by hour. Article and Design Creative Lab is here to make it easy for you. So why are you watching this video again? Because you need either the two things I mentioned above, or you need both. A&D is your unfair advantage. We are at your service.